Here I'm sharing my experience using the 3D microscope SeeLuma by Bausch & Lomb. This is the world's first all-digital microscope, and it's pretty fascinating technology. 3D heads-up display requires the wearing of 3D glasses and operating with a digital screen in front of you, which projects a 3D image. Seen without glasses, the 3D image looks double, but here we're shooting the video with a pair of the 3D glasses over the camera. Because of its all digital technology, there's actually no normal optical pathway, so the binoculars that you look through when they swing down are actually a digital view. There's no actual lens that you look through and get a view like you would with a traditional microscope. Of course, operating in this fashion requires relearning some basic visual spatial skills that we all have as surgeons. The advantages are numerous. For the surgeon, namely, there's actually much better ergonomics, so better neck and shoulder positioning, which hopefully will lead to better long-term health for the surgeon. The depth perception is astounding when wearing 3D glasses and looking at the image on the screen. And for the patient, there's actually much less light that needs to be used when operating, so you actually decrease overall phototoxicity to the patient.